Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see best WordPress countdown plugins in 2023. If you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. First plugin is OptinMonster. This is an optimization tool that includes a countdown, a timer feature to create urgency and boost conversations with customizable designs and flexible display options. So, like pop ups and slide ins. It costs $9 per month. Here you can even just have a look at it, like how this looks and all. And if you feel that this suits you, you can just get it for $9 per month. Next one is Countdown Timer Ultimate. This is a plugin that allows you to create circle countdown timers using shortcodes with customizable designs. So you have full control over the timers. The Pro version offers you additional clock style extended settings and template features. Which is for more customization options, but it's free and the Pro version starts at $169 per year. And next one is Countdown Builder. This is a versatile countdown timer plugin with the pre-made timers and customizable options. It supports multiple countdown types and provides a live preview. The Pro version includes the advanced options like scheduling and subscription forms and other features, but it has its free and the Pro version, which is starting from $24 and which is for lifetime. And then we have the other countdown timer, that is sales countdown timer. So let us even do that. This countdown timer is a powerful plugin which is designed for creating sales countdowns and product promotions. It offers extensive design options and integrates seamlessly with WooCommerce. And the Pro version adds additional features like evergreen countdowns and checkout countdowns for enhanced marketing capabilities. So it has its free and the Pro version, which is starting from $20 for lifetime. So these are the top picks that you can choose for WordPress countdown plugins. This is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you.